There are times when you need to be able to copy and paste things, and sometimes it just doesn't go right. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. If I take a column of numbers here, and I'm going to hit the copy button, and I'm going to come down here and say paste. Uh, no problem, worked just fine. That worked great. But let's say that I want to take this row of numbers, I copy, and I come down here and I paste, and oh my goodness gracious, it didn't happen. And the reason it didn't happen is what we have up here is we have formulas. And the minute we copied and pasted those formulas over here, they lost their reference. This says sum B5 to G5. So this is sitting down here saying, well, wait a minute, relative reference. There's no I have no clue what I'm supposed to do. So over here off to the side of paste is a little button again, and you can in fact paste different different formats. You can choose it without borders. You can choose just formulas. What we're going to do is we're going to highlight this, and now I'm going to click right beside this, and instead of just clicking paste, I'm going to come down here and say paste values. And when I do that, it doesn't worry about the fact that there are that's formulas. It just takes and pastes the value. So don't forget about that little triangle right next to the paste button up there.